Hi, this is Javier at Captain Platen Kits, and today we're going to be showing you how you can offer any hat order with any left chest print by using the exact same screen. Let's get to it. Alright friends, thank you so much for watching, and if you want any more information, go ahead and click in the link in the description below. And if you want to see what more Platens could do, go ahead and follow us on Instagram at Captain Platen Kits. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Other than that, we'll see you next time.